corners of my sight, voices whisper in the dead of the night. I'm unraveling threads of sanity fray. The world's a mirage, it's fading away. Every heartbeat's a scream I can't control. A fractured mirror reflects my soul. I'm slipping, I'm falling, the edges collide. The truth is a ghost I can't hold inside. I'm out of my mind, realizing I'm gone. Reality's just a dream. I've lost my mind. Unplug the machine, let the circuits die. I'm screaming, I'm breaking, letting it all go by. Set me free to die. The clock ticks loud, every time's a lie. A painted sky where my thoughts comply. I'm trapped in the wires, a puppet of code. The weight of existence is starting to erode. Every echo's a cage, every breath's a fight. I'm drowning in stars, but there's no light. I'm clawing, I'm crawling through static and pain. The dream's a delusion, it's driving me insane. I'm out of my mind, realizing I'm gone. Reality's just a dream. I've lost my mind. Unplug the machine, let the circuits die. I'm screaming, I'm brave, letting it all go by. Set me free tonight. Is this real? Is this me? Am I just a spark? A glitch in the system, a flame in the dark. The machine keeps humming, it's stealing my soul. I'm begging for mercy, I'm losing control. Tear the wires, break the chains, let the silence scream. Break me up or let me think this endless dream. I'm out of my mind, realizing I'm gone. Reality's just a dream. I've lost my mind. Unplug the machine, let the circuits die. I'm screaming, I'm breaking, letting it all go by. I'm fading, I'm falling apart. A whisper, a shadow, a beat of my heart. Unplug the machine, let the stars collide. I'm letting it all go by. Ooh, goodbye.